Hi, I'm Janelle, a professional organizer. For many people, kitchen cabinets can be a place of chaos, and without properly organizing, it can actually cost people more money and cause a lot of unwanted stress. Today, I'm going to give you some tips on how to organize a kitchen pantry or whatever food storage your kitchen has to make it as efficient as possible. Tip 1. Containers are your friend. By storing your food in airtight containers, you are extending its shelf life, you can easily see how much you have left, and you can store more. Tip 2. If you have deep cabinets, make sure what's in the back is also in the front, just like a grocery store. You don't want to forget you have something because it's hiding behind a big bag of tortilla chips. If you're having trouble seeing in the back of a cabinet, add some sort of riser. You can use a proper shelf riser or get creative and use a shoebox or a plastic bin to give you some lift. Tip 3. Display snacks in a grab-and-go container. Having healthy, easy snacks readily available saves you time and energy. If you have bars or other individually packaged snacks, take them out of the bulky boxes and put them all together in one bin. If you don't have one, just take a cardboard box and make sure to rip off the top to give you visibility. This makes it easy to grab something quick while knowing exactly how much you have in stock. Tip 4. Have a kids station. If your kids are at an age where they can get their own snacks, designate an area just for them so they know what's good for them to grab when they're hungry. This way, they don't need to constantly ask for snacks. Tip 5. Split your kitchen into zones. Close your eyes and imagine where it makes the most sense for things to be. Spices and oils together, baking ingredients together, grains together, and so on. Kitchens and pantries should have a flow to them. Everyone's space is different, so you have to find what works best for yours. Doing this will mean you don't have to search around for what you need. So, when you start baking, for instance, everything you need will already be together. I hope you found these tips helpful. I'm Janelle Cohen. Thanks very much for watching.